Welcome to Morning Qigong at the beach. You can practice this anytime when you want to feel more energized. Let's begin. Hand on heart, hand on lower dantian, 3-part breath or wave breathing. In through the nose, fill the belly, ribs, chest. Exhale out through the nose, chest, ribs, belly. Do this several times, slow, deep breaths. This is a wonderful breath technique first thing in the morning to oxygenate your entire body. It's also really good for releasing stress and anxiety. You can take the last part as you exhale and exhale out through the mouth. Just imagining letting go of tension, anxiety, stress, moving into more of a parasympathetic state, a state of healing. Let's release the arms. We can widen our stance as we move into knocking on the door of life. Just let those arms swing, turning from your waist, your hips, bending into the knees. You are activating your chi belt, waking up your body. Breathe naturally. You can turn your neck if you'd like, or stay focused forward. Let's bring those hands up to underneath the collarbone there. Lung 1, lung 2 point, great for our respiration and our immune system. And bring those hands above the shoulders now, knocking on the upper trapezius area. Great to release tension, tightness in that upper back neck area. And we slowly move the hands down the body and around the waist. And start to slow down. Beautiful. Bending into the knees, back and forth, shifting your weight, moving your body like a river. Move from your waist, your lower back, up through your spine, your neck area. Just let go. Sink into your knees. You can always lower your body as well if you'd like to go deeper. Breathe naturally, in through the nose, out through the nose, back and forth. Coming to center and just allow your body to hang forward. If you feel more comfortable, you can always come up, bending your knees, or just drop your body down. Let any tension, tightness release down to the earth. Feel the stretch in your hamstrings, your lower back, your neck, bending those knees. Take an inhale, lifting up, reaching those arms above, and relaxing your arms to your sides. Good. We're going to sink into our left leg there, moving more into a Dao Yin movement here, back and forth, shifting your weight. You can always have a shorter stance if you'd like. I'd like you to inhale as you open the chest, exhale through the center. Sink right down and reach. You're building strength and flexibility, which equals resilience. You're awakening your body. Feel the power within, spiraling through the chest, opening the chest cavity. Coming back to center, relaxing the arms into your heart center. Let's open our heart to the sky and back to our chest. Knees are bent slightly. Open, inhale. Exhale, sink the chest back. We're creating space through the chest cavity here. Heart to sky, heart to earth. Good. Turning to your left. Sinking down onto that left leg. You can have a hand or your forearm down, and we'll open up the chest and the shoulder girdle with some fabulous circles here. Breathing inhale and exhale. You can come up if that's easier for you. Always listen to your body. No pain, no pain. We're moving that energy. Gently come up, coming center. Let's turn now on your right heel. Sink down into that right leg. Hand on your leg or forearm, full circles now with your left shoulder. Breathe into this. We slowly rise up and relax your arms to your sides. Bring your feet in underneath your hips. Good, knees are soft. We'll do some full hip circles here. Front, side, back, side. Breathe naturally, loosening up through our torso, moving that spine in different directions here as well. Great for those joints. Keep those joints oiled. And we'll go the other direction. Make it as big as you'd like. You can slow it down if you'd like. This is your practice. Relax your arms. Now we're going to bring our hands to prayer behind our back where it's comfortable for you. We're warmed up, so let's bring our right ear to our right shoulder and breathe. Relax into the shoulders. Open the chest area. Getting into some lines of tension. And we can lift up and gently bring that left ear now to the left shoulder. Breathe in to your center. Breathe out nice and slow. Coming center, we'll relax the arms down. Now we'll go into some bouncing. Let's bounce into our heels. This is wonderful to activate the 5 pumps, your cranial sacral, your arms, and your legs. We can bring the hands up to our sides, moving through the wrists, activating the heart meridian lines. Good, we're releasing stress, tension. Also, we bounce into our heels. It's great for our bones, increasing bone strength. Breathing in through the nose, out through the mouth. And slowly release. Check in. See how you're feeling. Moving into a flow. Cloudy hands. Let's relax one arm down, shifting our weight to one side, changing arms, shifting your weight to the other side. Your upper arm, your palm is facing your heart, creating lightness in the heart, ease in the heart. Think of your lower arm moving through cool water, mixing the water element and the fire element together, creating balance. If you'd like, on this next one, we can step back with your right leg, make this a little more dynamic with our legs, soft with your arms, breathing naturally. Elbows are a little lower than your shoulders. You can come back to the center if you'd like. Shifting side to side, turning at your waist, changing your arms, breathing naturally. Slowing down, moving into the flow state. Flows are known as the art of effortless power. You can step back now on your left. Transferring your weight side to side. Arms are soft, shoulders are relaxed, breathing naturally. Cloudy hands specifically for our heart center. Opening the heart, allowing for joy and happiness, love, compassion, kindness. Gently come back to center. Hands come up, holding the golden urn. Elbows towards each other, palms to the sky, imagining beautiful energy coming in to your palms, down your arms, into your heart center, filling you up with healing light. Breathe naturally, in through your nose, out through your nose. Tailbone is down, spine is long, knees are soft, shoulders relaxed, arms come down. Let's float those arms up, pulling down the heavens, pulling down the sky. Inhaling as the arms rise up, exhaling as the arms come down. I want you to imagine and have an intention of what you'd like to bring into your life. Abundance, good health, love, kindness, happiness, filling yourself up from head to toe. Bring those feet together, hands over your lower dantian. You can close your eyes, breathing into your center, gently rocking and swaying. Feel the energy through the body, bamboo in the wind. You've done such a wonderful job today, moving your energy, waking up your body, releasing stress. You are ready for the rest of your day. Thank you for joining me. Love, light, and Qi.